Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about an amazing tool that has changed the way I use Midjourney. It's called Midjourney Prompt Helper. As you can see, Midjourney Prompt Helper generates amazing and unique prompts that help me generate these amazing images. Before we begin, I have a quick update for you all. Midjourney Prompt Helper for version 4 was just released on 7th Jan, a day after this video was recorded. This means this prompt helper is even more powerful now. So be sure to check it out. Once we are on website, we can see we have a text box area here where we can write our main idea. And then we have predefined options which we can select. By selecting any of these, the prompt will be updated and we can copy those prompt and generate image on Midjourney. So let's try something. I'm going to create a water bottle with galaxy inside it. And for style, I'm going to select celestial. For lightning, we can go for fluorescent. Camera, electron microscope. Then we want color as neon, or maybe let's go for RGB. Then we have depth of field. Here we can select as full focus. So you can see whenever we select any option here, the prompt is getting updated. So let's copy this prompt and generate the image in Midjourney. Now our image is ready. So I'll go ahead and upscale number one. So we have our upscale image. Let's go ahead and generate some more images. So this time I'm going to generate image of mountain with waterfall. For the style I have used as dune here, and focus I have kept it as full and quality as double. So let's take this and generate some images and see. So our first set of image is ready. We can see we have four options. We'll go ahead and make some adjustment on current prompt and generate new images. So let's go ahead and adjust some lightning. This time we will use as dusk as a lightning. For color, we will go ahead and use CYMK option. So you can see that we have our prompt updated. After updating the prompt, we have another four set of images here. So you can see the difference that, with little bit of adjustment in prompt, we are able to generate different kind of images. So guys, try and let me know what kind of images you are able to generate. Thank you.